This is the most succulent and delicious spicy chicken wings you will ever have. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am sharing this chicken wings recipe with you. Look at that, falling off the bone, very delicious, and it's so easy to make. I made this in my air fryer. If you love this, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. So first we'll start by cutting our chicken wings. We want to cut out the long part of the wings and then divide the main meat into two. And we'll just cut this up and we'll divide that part into two, and you have your chicken wings. And cutting it this way will help it cook faster, and you can cook this in your air fryer. It's very easy to do. And I'll do that for the rest of my chicken. Today I had about 1 kg of chicken wings to do. And when I've done all that, I'm just going to wash my chicken. Yes guys, wash your chicken very well. I did the actual washing off camera. So we'll then go over to making the marinade. Making your marinade is so important. This is what gives it that taste. I'll start with 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and this will help retain the moisture in the chicken wings. I added garlic and onion, ginger and onion, and now I'm adding my garlic with my garlic presser. I'll put a link of my garlic presser in the description box. I will add 1 tablespoon of paprika. I will add my mixed herb, 1 tablespoon, and for that spiciness I added about 1 teaspoon of chili powder and then my mixed seasoning powder. This will make your chicken wings absolutely delicious. So you just mix all the marinade together and then you begin to add your washed and drained chicken wings. Just add it in. I first of all divided my marinade into 2. I will show you where I added the second part later. After adding my chicken, I will add the second part of my marinade just to make sure I have enough at the bottom and at the top. And then I will use my hands. It's important to use your hands to go into that chicken. Make sure it is properly coated. Every inch and every part of it should be thoroughly coated with your marinade. And after you've done that, you just want to set it aside in the fridge. I first of all covered mine with cling film. I'm going to pop it in the fridge for an hour, at least an hour. If you want to keep it overnight, that is also helpful. The longer the better. So this is my air fryer. I line my air fryer because I find that it's easy, makes it easier to clean your air fryer when you put this lining on it. I'm going to just pop in that chicken wings on it. If you have a small air fryer, you might need to do 2 batches like I did, but this quantity is enough, and you pop it in the air fryer for 45 to 1 hour, and this is the magic you have. I drizzled a bit of spicy chili oil on it, and this is the golden gorgeous spicy chicken wings you have. Look at that. You can eat this alone, you can eat it with your chips, you can serve it with rice or some plantain, and whatever you're using to have it, it is absolutely wonderful, and it is falling right off the bone. Very soft, very succulent. I hope you try this recipe, and thank you for your support on my channel. Subscribe, like, and drop me a comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.